MoonPay acquires Helio for $175 million to expand crypto payments infrastructure. MoonPay is set to welcome the crypto-friendly Trump administration. The crypto payments platform has acquired blockchain payment processor Helio for $175 million, marking the start of what could be a series of strategic mergers in the digital asset space. Stijn Pouwman, CEO and co-founder of Helio, said, "By joining forces with MoonPay, we're excited to accelerate our mission and unlock crypto's potential by replacing slow, costly merchant payments with fast, affordable, and decentralized solutions." This purchase marks MoonPay's largest purchase to date. The privately owned company will expand its payments infrastructure by incorporating Helio's technology. Helio allows for crypto transactions on specific e-commerce platforms such as Shopify and Discord. MoonPay initiative tied to the new administration. To begin with, the acquisition and partnership serve as a testament to the expanding influence of decentralized finance, DeFi. Supporters of DeFi assert that it can change the way banks and credit cards handle payments by using blockchain, the technology behind digital assets, to make transactions faster and cheaper. Ivan Sodorite, CEO and co-founder of MoonPay, said, "This acquisition is an important step in advancing our vision for the future of payments. Helio's technology and expertise strengthen our ability to deliver efficient, secure, and scalable solutions for crypto commerce, trading infrastructure, and marketplaces. With MoonPay and Helio combined, we now offer the most comprehensive product for on-chain payments." Following 4 years of stagnation under the Biden administration, which unleashed an industry-wide regulatory assault on the sector, the outcome was that U.S. crypto companies relocated offshore, opting to conduct business in regions such as Europe and Asia where regulations were less restrictive, thereby facilitating the expansion of their operations. Now, it is anticipated that the trajectory of crypto will accelerate under President-elect Donald Trump. This is mainly because Trump pledged to reduce regulations and establish the United States as the crypto capital of the world, in exchange for ballots and campaign donations. His pro-business, pro-innovation agenda is anticipated to stimulate a resurgence in corporate mergers and acquisitions, particularly in the banking and media sectors. However, it may also affect the $3.5 trillion crypto industry. According to industry professionals, the agreement serves as an indicator of forthcoming developments. Still, MoonPay with Helio will be ready to counter positive results, which the industry highly anticipates. Notably, MoonPay has recently obtained a money transmitter license from the Texas Department of Banking. Also, in 2024, MoonPay expanded its service offerings by incorporating PayPal and Venmo into its payment options. Meanwhile, MoonPay is still celebrating the new year early as it has been approved by the Markets in Crypto Assets (MiCA) in the Netherlands. The digital asset platform became the first to be approved under Europe's regulation. What can Helio do for MoonPay? First, MoonPay is present in more than 160 countries and has partnered with more than 300 wallets, websites, and applications to facilitate payments and combat fraud. In addition, MoonPay's payment infrastructure facilitates the conversion of fiat currencies to crypto, providing a diverse array of payment methods. This includes local bank transfers, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and debit and credit cards. This tells you that it has a lot of activity going on, especially because MiCA is in the picture. On the other hand, Helio Pay enables e-commerce merchants and content creators to receive crypto payments. The company has incorporated its white-labeled solutions into the trading infrastructure for DX Screener and Solana Pay for Shopify. It also has a presence in 10 nations across 3 continents. Notably, Helio Pay has recently broadened its blockchain support on Base to include participants such as Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Polygon. To prove its workability, Helio Pay and Ethermail formed a partnership last month to simplify subscription payments. Through this, Ethermail has made the first step into crypto-based payment options by accepting its native token, $EMT, and other tokens on Base, using Helio Pay's platform.